Hey everyone, welcome to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to standard mortgage account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in the URL www.stanmore.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official web page of Standard Mortgage, click on Make a Payment link at the top of the screen. On the next page, click on Log on to your account. Here, you'll be able to see the login portal. If you've not registered yet for Standard Mortgage, click on the register link and follow the instructions to complete your account creation. Once you have an account, you can access it anytime by entering the username and password you created for the account. In the first text box, type in your username. On the next field, type in your password for your account. If you've forgotten your username or your password, click on the Forgot Username or Forgot Password link. In order to look for your credential, follow through the on-screen prompts till the end and you'll be able to find your username or reset your password. After filling in your username and password, all you need to do now is click Login in order to log into your Standard Mortgage account. That is how you can easily log in and access your Standard Mortgage account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.